and let me pin my video. Oh, it's okay. So we are halfway through our L3 class. 3 months we have completed. We started in April, May, and June we have completed, and another 3 months to go. Okay. So this is exactly halfway in between. So what we are going to be doing is we are going.
I joined from my dad's laptop because my laptop is in service.
Okay, that is fine, Arab, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So what we are going to be doing is Lakshmi is joining. Some people are still joining in. So there is going to be a test, midway test, midterm test, right? You have it in your school. Similarly, in here also, I am having a midterm test, and we are going to have our first prize tournament tomorrow. Okay, I think somebody was asking last week, right? Or I don't know.
So,
Yeah.
so is it gonna be like that? Like there are 42 people or something?
No, not 42 people. It will be your L3 class, which I believe is 20 or 21 people. 21, I believe.
No, 30. It's around 30 something.
No. It is not. The team is having some other people which I have to clear it, but it is not 30. I think it is maybe it is 22, but I don't think it is more than that.
And so, one question.
Yeah.
For the test, right?
Yeah.
Till what time we till what day we have so till we can submit it?
So I'm giving the test today. I'm going to send this paper out, and my expectation is that tomorrow is holiday. Everybody should do it by tomorrow. In case somebody specifically has got some exam on Monday and then they have to study, etc., then I might give for those people. I might give some extra time. But otherwise, one day is the thing, or maximum 2 days. Okay, let us give 2 days, because one day is maybe it is less. So I am giving it today evening. Maybe by Monday evening, everybody should complete it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I have to study on Sunday.
Okay. So we'll give the time till Monday. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Fine. All right. There are some more people are joining. Okay. Fine. I think we have got almost everybody joined. Okay. Fine. So what I'm going to be doing is the.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good morning, depending on where you are. Okay. All right. So this midterm test is going to look at everything that we have studied till now. Okay. First, 13 weeks now. We have studied some openings. We have studied. We started with chest notation, right? Remember, chest notation we started with, right? So that is definitely going to be there. Okay, you need to have questions on chest notation. Then we had certain whatever we have studied till now in this course, right? The puzzles are related to that. So number 4, there is a white to move, right? Can you find, and whenever it is position is given, you have to answer the question also as yes or no or whatever it is, who is going to win, and you have to give the best moves for both sides. Okay, sometimes 2 moves, sometimes 3 moves. Okay, so whatever it is, you have to give it. Normally I have written there how many moves you have to give. And when you say white to win, that does not mean black is playing very bad moves and then that's how white is going to win. No, it means that in every position, assume that each side tries to make the best moves. Okay, so whether it is attack or defense, it is always the best moves. Now you have to think, you cannot assume that the other side will make some weak moves and then you will win. Or yeah.
For number 5, you put white to move. So for that, do we have to put all the moves?
Do we have to put yes, you have to put all the moves, and typically it is only 3 moves. Okay, you can say that never, it is never more than 3 moves. Sometimes it is.
Sir, and for number 6, what do you mean by WB?
W means white and B means black. I just made it short.
Okay. To ask you that if it's shown that can white win the rook with tactics, can white give up its queens on that?
Sorry, what is that, Arav? I could not understand.
I meant that can if I know a move to get the rook, but it gives up its queens. So
but think more about it. Think more about it. Think whatever you are thinking. Think one more move ahead, and then think 2 more moves ahead, and then see.
Okay.
All right. So it will be like this, okay, like this. Now in position 4, I am asking when can you win the rook by tactics, and yes or no, and give the 3 moves for both. Okay. Similarly, in number 5, I am asking white to move, find the best move for white, which results in very big advantage. Okay, white has got a chance to get a very big advantage. Now let us see whether you can find. Yeah. Don't have to tell the move right now. Okay. This is just
No,
I'm.
sir.
Yeah.
So for the unit test for midterm, which we're going to have now,
Yeah.
with the performance that we gave will be also counted for the final unit test, right?
Arav, your voice was breaking. I could not hear it. Can you type your question? I think there is some network problem. I think
It wasn't mine.
Okay.
you can type the question. I will check.
So which one?
Yeah.
So which one?
No. I'm not saying. Arav was asking some question. Arav Bapat, and that's what I'm telling him. I could not hear what he was saying. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now 6th position again. It is black to move. Okay. Black to move in 6th position. Okay. And what do you mean WB? I have given short forms. Small w means white. Okay. W means white. B means bishop. Okay. So what I'm saying is in the 6th position here, the white bishop at B1 cannot move safely because do you see wherever it moves, it can get captured. Okay. Using this fact, can black take advantage? So black is to move, but the tip I have given the tip that white bishop cannot really move. So can you find give the next 2 moves for to prove that you have found a very good move for black. Okay. So this is the number 6. Number 7, it is the end game position. Okay. We had learned end games also. Remember? So you have to revise those and see, comment on the end game. Is it likely a draw? Because both sides have got 1 pawn. Black has got a knight, white has got a bishop. Okay. And you know the orientation of the thing is also given, who is moving where. So you have to find out and see whether it will be a draw or it will be one side will win, and if it is one side will win, which side it is, right? So you have to give it. Then number 8, again it is white to play and win. Give your best 2 moves for white. Okay, it is fairly obvious, I think, are clear. I hope the diagrams are clear and you can understand the pieces difference between the white and the black pieces very well. I think only in number 9 also I think it is clear, right? You can read the diagram properly.
Sir, isn't the bishop wrong because it's written white bishop at B1? Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is correct.
When it says white to play and win, does it mean checkmate?
No, it doesn't mean checkmate. White to play and win only means that you get a very big advantage. Okay.
Okay.
That is enough. All right. The number 9 is also similar here. Okay. I hope you can see, understand the number 9. The pieces are slightly different. I have taken it from some other website, so it is slightly different. Now, then we come to the second page. Second
Wow.
page is again related to end games. Number 10, it is white to play. Is it a draw or one side will win with best play? And you don't just answer this like, oh, white will win or black will win. You give the best moves. You have to give at least 3 moves next, you have to give it. Okay, if I don't tell anything, you have to give the next 3 moves for both sides.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
For give just for example for number 10,
Yeah.
can we tell the whole move if it's a draw or something?
Yes, you can do that. No
All
problem.
of the moves and draw, win or whatever.
Sorry.
Can we put all of the moves?
Yes, you can give all of the moves. I'm saying minimum 3 moves you have to give. Minimum 3 moves, best. Next one, okay? But if you give all the way to the end, then no problem. It is good. Yeah, Eden, you are saying something?
And also one last thing.
Okay.
Will this first and second test, will the marks count for the final test?
Yes, they do count. They do count intermediate test, unit test, as well as the final test. Each of the things you get the marks count towards your final certificate. Okay, as well as the participation in the tournament also. Okay, tomorrow we are going to have a prize tournament, which is the serious tournament. Till now we were all doing practice, right? I think Arav, that's what you were asking. So tournament will also be The tournament, I give marks two ways. One is participation in the tournament itself. You get certain points, and then depending on how you end up, whether you win it, you runner up, second runner up, number 4, number 5, each of them I give positions extra marks. Okay, like for example, I will give you participation, I will give 10 marks. Okay, if you play through the entire tournament of tomorrow, you get 10 marks plus positions performance. It starts from 10 points for the winner, 9 points for the number 2, 8 points for the number 3, just like the your Grand Prix is there na, F1 or similarly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Number 10 position will get 1 extra point, and 11th onwards you will not get point, but you will still get participation points. So someone can get maximum 20 points.
But Anup will always come first. I mean, he's in L4 and L3.
But he is also learning, so he is L3 only, but he is just learning extra in
Wait,
L4. But
one
you
more
can,
thing.
is it not always that he wins, right? Sometimes the other players also win, so that way.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Excuse, sir.
Yeah.
When is the tournament?
Tomorrow.
What time?
Tomorrow evening, shall we keep it slightly early? Shall we keep it at 7 p.m. start?
Sure, sure.
Is it okay with everybody?
Early would be nice.
Yeah, 7 p.m. so that by 9 or 9:30 it will get over.
Wow.
Can you send the link
I will send
to the
link
tournament
tomorrow.
today?
Today. Okay, I will send it to you today. I will see. It's a Swiss tournament.
2 hours, 30 minutes.
And also,
Because according to the time, I need to set the alarm.
Yeah. Sure. I will
Yeah.
send it. So it is 7 p.m. India time start. That you can put the alarm already. Okay. And
Okay.
and tomorrow morning, will there be tournament?
yes, there will be a practice tournament tomorrow morning. If it is optional for you, if you want to join. Okay. It is not compulsory. It is optional.
Sure.
But sir, will we like get tournament participation points in the tournaments? In the practice tournament tomorrow?
No, practice tournament is no. This everything is only about the prize tournament. That is what is the serious tournament. Practice tournament is for practice. Okay. So you don't get any points there or whatever it is. The points you get it if you play in the serious tournament and you play all the rounds. Okay. You have to play. It's a Swiss league. So you have to play all the rounds. You are used to it now. So
Tomorrow at 7 p.m. the tournament is going to be a Swiss.
Swiss. Yeah. It is going to be a 5-round Swiss.
Then it won't be till 9:30.
Yeah, that won't take much time.
I think it is because Swiss means you have to, the second round will start only after all the players have completed the first round.
Sir,
Right.
can you make it for a long time? Like if you want to think so we can come first.
Sorry, what is that?
Can you make the rounds a bit long? I mean, like, because whenever we need to think, if we need to think.
See, all the tournament games are like 10 minutes plus 10 plus 5. That is the thing.
But I mean, like, if you go low, you will go low very soon. If you think a lot, you will go soon very low.
Yeah, but that's how it is. Finally, there will be something. So there will be enough time. Normally now you are
Okay.
used to playing 7 plus 3, but the prize tournament will be 10 plus 5. So you will get 5 seconds in every move. You will get extra 5 seconds. So there is enough time.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you keep the mornings arena quick?
Aditya, I lost you after that. You said, can you keep the morning arena? And then what?
Sir, I said, can you keep the mornings arena Queen's Gambit or the King's Gambit?
Oh, themed arena. See, themed arena, I don't normally give it for combined practice because morning is combined, right? L4 and L3. But maybe I will try to give. Let us see.
And so, what was that opening that you kept for yesterday's tournament?
I think it is 4 nights Spanish variation, I believe. E4, E5, NF3.
I know the 4 nights game, but
NC3.
Spanish
NC6,
variants.
yeah,
the-
bishop to B5 after that. E4, E5, NF3, NC6, NC3, NF6, bishop to B5. I think that is what I kept it yesterday, I believe. Right?
So that I was terrible. It was already, most of it was already developed.
Yeah, but you have to see why I give is that you have to get used to different openings, and that's how you learn it, right? So sometimes I give it. But always I give whatever position I give, it will never be like one side is winning, the other side is. I will never give that. I will give a position which is the position is equal, in the sense that opening is a good opening. It's a standard opening. It's a equal opening.
Sir, because whenever in the yesterday night's defense, I'm not good at from variations. I'm good at from starting, but I'm not good at that.
But that's how you have
Um,
to practice, right? So you have to think about it, and
Yeah.
and then the important thing is such specific openings games you play. Sometimes you might not be used to it, so you might lose it. But the thing is that you can go back and analyze the position, and then see with the computer analysis, right? You can see where you could have done better. So all that analysis helps, right?
So in the King's Gambit arena that you put one day,
Yeah.
it was actually unfair because black was winning 0.5 minus 0.5.
No, I mean that is, don't give that. No, I never give. I gave e4, e5, f4, ef, right? Black takes
Yeah.
the gambit. No, it is not minus 0.5. It is wrong if the computer gives that calculation. It is very much equal for black.
And so,
Okay.
Speaking of analysis, I one guy got banned because I reported him because he was using all the engine moves.
Then so if you find it, you have to report it always.
No,
Okay?
because now that I actually you've seen that I have because I've improved. I have analysis, seen all my mistakes, and I've seen all the engine. Okay, I saw the engine. I analyzed it, and it told that all the black move. I saw all the engine told that all of those moves are which the engine told. So
Yeah,
I
yeah,
got
no,
banned.
no, you should report it. You should report it, right?
No,
And they will
he
take.
got banned also.
Yeah, that's what will happen. Punishment will happen. And I hope we did 2 weeks back, we did that, right? I told everybody we are taking an oath, we are taking a pledge to zero tolerance. And if you notice somebody else using, then also report it. ECAS will take action on it. Okay?
So I never use engine because actually you've seen that I've lost most of the time.
Yeah. No, I think you can use engine later on for analysis, no problem, but not during the game. Okay, there is one more thing that I wanted to this one, that what is it that I am also given you all some homework assignment on Chessking. So I'd showed you how to go to Chessking and find the assignment that is assigned. So who wants to share the screen? I will just show you.
I can do it.
Okay, Vedant, right? Is that, or Anup?
Anoop.
Anup, okay. So you can go. I will stop sharing. You can share the screen, and I will show it to you.
You've disabled screen sharing.
Oh, I will enable screen share. Yeah, I've enabled screen share.
Excuse
Okay.
me, sir.
Yeah.
The problem is now I haven't been using Chess King much. So I've actually forgotten how. What do you call? You get
That's why we will see it. I hope you have not forgotten the password, right?
No, I keep myself logged in.
Okay, fine. Now you see where you have to go after logging in. See, you are logged into learn.chessking.com. You have to go to trainers first. Trainers on the top. Yeah, trainers. Yeah, and then recommendations. Right. Now on the left side, don't click the links on the left side under the lesson. So whatever is the lesson 1, 2, 3, whatever you would have got it, click it on that left side, click it lesson, and then you will straight away, it will take you to a section which will have a sort of puzzle. So this one is having how many? 66, I believe, right? Just come down. How many are there? Scroll down.
93.
93 puzzles. Okay, fine.
Oh,
So you have to do it one by one, all of these things. Okay. So like this. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
you said that our marks will be counted through the final unit test, our unit test right now, and then the intermediate test, right?
No, intermediate is same as unit test. There is only 2 tests. One is now test. I call it unit test or intermediate test. Okay, midterm test, whatever I call it. And then there is a final.
Sir, and I won't be able to use Chess King for a while right now because I'm going to have my exams from next week.
That is okay. So these homework assignment is not to be done immediately 1 week. You can do it in the next 2-3 weeks. You can do it. Okay.
So
Yeah.
I have done the puzzles. See, it says 524 out of 680, but then at 500, the 524th puzzle, it doesn't allow me to go any more further.
No, I will tell you. I will tell you. Wait. First thing is that see these what you see are the marks, scores. They are not the puzzles. Puzzles might be 80, 90 puzzles, but they might have more marks. Okay. Now don't worry. Whatever is there up to that much only you go, and you always click the lesson link. Okay. Don't go beyond it. Whatever I have given, if there is something to be done, and I would have assigned it. Okay. If it is not there, that means you don't have to worry about it.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. All right. So this is how you have to do it. I have assigned for most of the people. Some people I am yet to assign. I will assign it tonight. Okay. All right. So fine. Now what? Go ahead and anything else?
Uncle, this is Amudu. Actually, I'm for tomorrow, for tomorrow's test.
Yeah.
How much marks do you condense?
Total I think are. I'm not sure. I think there are one. Have I said anything? No. I think I have. But I think there are like 160 marks because 10 marks for each position. I think maybe some of them are less. So maybe I think there are 140 marks. Okay. And the passing is how much? Passing is at 50%. Okay. So once if it is 140 marks, then you have to score 70 to pass it. Okay. But it's okay. You don't get tension over that. You try to make the best of it. Okay? If you have revised everything that we studied here, right from the class 1, let me just go back and see what all we studied. Okay. We started with, I hope this is like a revision. Okay. All the handouts, I hope all of you have got it. We started with this, just notation, how to understand the English descriptive notation and the symbols for various constructs like equality, who has got advantage, whether the move is good or bad, who is attacking, all of that symbols we had studied it. Okay, and then we had studied this example, right? That is what we studied. Then we studied preventing blunders. We looked at again blunders and what are the stage 1 blunders, stage 2 blunders, stage 3 blunders, and we looked at some of that, right? So that is week 2. Then we looked at French opening, French defense, and we looked at some tactics also. We looked at some French variations as well as we looked at some tactics at the end here also, right? So that is what then French defense. Then we looked at positional advantage. We looked at this thing where there is certain cases where there is a positional advantage, right? Remember all of this, you have to revise it. Okay. Saavedra study, very important study, Saavedra study. Then these positions, etc., some end game positions, we have looked at it, right? So good. So this is positional advantage, we had looked at it. Then we looked at material advantage. Material advantage, how to convert material advantage. Again, we had looked at it. Some of the end games are there from this. So please make sure that you study these well. Then we looked at end games. Lot of study we have done actually in level 3. So queen against pawn, very important. What is the zone? What is in the zone, out of the zone? And then we looked at rook versus pawn. What are the key squares? Key squares, we had looked at it. Yeah. So a lot of things, tracing the pawns. And then we looked at standard mates, Vukovic mates, we had looked at it. Right? There are some 33 or 34 patterns of checkmates that we had learned on. Right?
So, speaking about the Vukovic mates,
Yeah.
I am seeing all the mates. I am analyzing all of them, but I am getting confused. Which one to start? Which piece to start with? The black or the white?
It is. You can normally you will be able to see there will be one side which will be attacking, right? You will be able to make out.
I can see the white mates easily, but then we have to. I don't know. I was also getting confused in my class whether we had to start with the black or what.
Most of the times it is white. Okay, you can just check. Most of the time it is given from the white space.
Okay.
All right, fine. So this is all of this, whatever we study, please go through all these handouts. If you want, you can watch those videos also again. But all of this is important and this is what will come in the examination. Okay, exam examination.
Okay.
All right. I think that is it. Any other questions? Any other thing? Interesting or anything more?
Nope-y dook.
Everything is okay? Clear?
Yep-y dook.
Okay. Good. That is good. Okay. I also wanted to tell you about some books. Okay. In case you are, because now you are at level 3 and you may want to.
Okay, so
Okay.
I will. The books that I have found very, very good. Okay. I will show to you.
So will you recommend them on the group so I can see?
Yeah,
if
I will recommend them on the group. I will just show it to you here. Okay. This is a sim.
What?
Wait. 64 lessons. No.
Wow. Oh.
sir,
Yeah.
can you only get these books if you live in India, or can you also get them in other countries?
No, definitely you can get them in so you can get them on Amazon.com.
Okay.
Essentially for gamers. What? So.
I'm not finding this. I will no 50 essential.
So
Just
you
search it on
recommend,
Google.
right? You will recommend which ones to buy, right? Because some of them are for beginners who don't know chess.
No, but they are actually, when they say for beginners, but they are all the way good up to level 3, level 4, level 5 also. So I'm not finding this, but I will show you. So, end game
50 endgames.
No chess end games. It is not giving me all.
Avengers endgames.
Sir, do it with chess and games.
Yeah.
Why don't you just search on Google?
Because how do you buy them?
This one. Okay. So chess end games for kids. This is a very good book. Okay. I'm going to be taking this.
It's on Kindle.
Let me that. Okay, this is very good all the way up to level 5. Okay, level 3, level 4, level 5. Okay, that's for good. And actually, this series itself is good. See, this chess openings for kids. Again,
Sir, can you scroll up once?
Sorry.
Can you scroll up once?
Scroll up, yeah. I have given the link, so no problem. Chess endgame for kids. Okay.
Okay, so I got the link.
Okay, then chess openings for kids. Again, it's a briefly, very briefly, if you want to get, there are tons and tons of openings books, but if you want to get the gist of 50 openings, right, then this book is very good introduction. Maybe up to level 4, I think it is quite good. Okay, maybe up to level 5 also. Okay, so again, very, very brief. I like this, the way they are presenting them, because it is like always any topic is presented in 2 pages or maximum 4 pages, and you get a gist of it. Okay, so I like chess openings for kids. I also like how to beat your dad at chess. This also I liked it. And this is the third one in the series from Gambit Publications. Okay.
So I already beat my mom at chess. She knows only little, but actually both of them don't even know chess.
No, no. So that is okay. So this is just to say that okay, you can beat, but you can use this to say that basically, but it gives you a lot of mating patterns. Okay, so now that you have studied various checkmates, etc., but some more study and some more exercises. So these are there. So expansion. I think we got a brief introduction in the standard mating patterns, but this entire book is about that. Okay. So this is about checkmating patterns, and then there is also this great book called Chess Strategy for Kids. Okay. So this again is middle game strategy, positional strategy, again introduction. So again, this will give you up to level 5. Okay, this is good. So if you are doing this, so this is also a great book. This entire series is very well done. Okay, so they are all from the same publication, Gambit Books, and I just recently I reviewed all of them and I found them to be good. There is also, they have one more, Chess Tactics for Kids, but tactics, there are so many puzzles available on Chess King, on Lichess, etc. So I suggest there is no need to buy a book. If you want, you can buy, but I don't suggest it. I mean, I don't say you have to spend money, but chess endgames, chess openings, chess strategy, and how to beat your dad. These 4 books are very good. That will take you all the way up to level 5.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Right now, I already opened them all, so can you buy them?
Sorry.
Can you send, sir? Now you send the links in chat, no, sir. Can
Yeah.
you send them in WhatsApp group?
Yeah, I will send it on WhatsApp. No problem. I will send it on WhatsApp also. Okay, so that
Okay,
other book, right? I was telling you, it's a single book. If you want to buy just one book and that will along with your thing, right? Then what I suggest is 64 chess lessons. Let me see. No, not days today. No, 64 chess strategy lessons. No.
So you can go to buy and see.
You see the just one second. I will. That is. I was getting the title wrong. 64 things. No chess. This is the thing.
What about Pandolfini's
64
endgame
things you
course?
need to know about. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. This is if you want to buy one single book, which will cover many things in one thing. It's a short book, okay, and it has got strategy, it has got end games, and it has got some middle game also. Everything all together in 64 lessons. This is also a good book, okay, but obviously because it is covering everything in one book, obviously it will not cover it as much depth. So it is, if you want to buy just one book, then I think this is a good book, okay, at this level, in level 3. Okay.
So send it so I can ask my mom if I can.
All the things that the other 4 do.
No, the other 4 are focused. So like each one of them is focused on one area. One is on end game, one is on.
I don't think I should buy this.
Sorry.
I don't think I should buy this, should I?
No, I mean it is up to you. I'm just giving. It is not compulsory to buy. In fact, there is enough work to do on Chess King and Lichess, etc. So that itself can do. But in case somebody is interested, I'm just showing you some of the good books. Okay, it is up to you. It is. I'm not saying that you should buy it. It is up to you. Okay.
Sir, can you actually send this in the WhatsApp group?
Yeah, I will send it on the WhatsApp. Sorry.
Sir, what about Pandolfini's endgame course?
Yeah, Pandolfini's Endgame course is also a very good book. Okay, and if you buy that, then you don't buy the 50 endgames for kids. One of them you buy it, it is okay. Okay, which are, they are almost equivalent. Okay, Pandolfini's Endgame course is must be here only.
So, sir, which one is better? Which one do you prefer?
Both of them are good. Say they
No,
are.
I mean, which one would you prefer?
I like that 50 endgame for kids slightly better. Okay, because the way it is, it's a more recent book. This Pandolfin's Endgame course is slightly older book. Okay, both of them are good, but the way it is presented in the 50 endgame for kids, it is almost equal knowledge and same knowledge, but slightly better presented.
Sir, in that kids one, like the one you sent, the chess end games for kids. Is there chess middle games for kids?
No, there is no that chess strategy for kids, right? It is same thing as chess middle game.
Okay. So all 3 parts and how to beat your dad.
Yeah, chess strategy and how to beat dad your chess. Those are like
Yeah.
game books.
Chess games and how to beat your dad in chess.
Yeah. Okay, and openings is for openings, end game is for end game, and the other 2 are for the middle game. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So cool. I think any other question? Otherwise, we are good. And I will be sending the question paper now after this. So, and be ready for tomorrow. Let the best player win.
Wait, so we're not having any lesson today?
No, we are not having any lesson today. It is all about this is what is I wanted to cover.
Okay.
Any questions, doubts, anything like that.
Answer?
Oh, by the way, I will do it next time. I think I don't have time.
Hold on. So,
Yeah.
those extremely good people like Madhura and all joining as well.
No, they are in level 4 because prize tournament will be very specific to your team. So only the L3 team will play in this, not L4.
Phew.
All right. Good. All right, then we are done. I am ending it. Okay. So wish you all the best for the test as well as for the tournament tomorrow. There are going to be prizes. So points and prizes.
Actually, I think I have very less internet. I'm just like send the links again.
So
I
should we leave?
will send the links again on the WhatsApp. No problem. Okay.
So should we leave?
Chat. I mean the
No,
WhatsApp.
no need to rejoin. No need to rejoin. Okay.
No, sir. Sure.
WhatsApp. Can be the. Please send it to WhatsApp, please.
Yeah, I will send it.
Okay. Bye, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.